Dumela and welcome to my Udemy Sesotho studio. We have been talking about verbs, and now I would like to imagine a world where you are the only person who matters. Everything is centered around you, and you're the only one who lives in this world because you say, "Yeah, bina." You're the only person there. How fun is that? You don't think it's fun? It's kind of lonely, right? You want to talk to somebody, the person closest to you, and even those who are very, very far away. The Sesotho grammar makes this type of interaction possible because if I want to say that you're singing in Sesotho, I would say, "Wa bina." That means you are singing or you sing. And what about if I want to talk about my cat?